Hi everyone, and welcome to C2W Inventory. Today we're going to look at Unit of Measurement Conversions, or UOM conversions. This is a feature that many wholesalers, manufacturers, distributors, and food businesses use every day. If you've ever purchased products in one unit but sold them in another, this feature is for you. What are UOM conversions? A very common example is buying products by the box, storing them individually, and then selling them by the box again. Without conversions, someone in the warehouse would need to do the math every time inventory comes in or goes out. C2W Inventory handles all of those calculations automatically. For today's example, let's use screws. Our supplier sells screws by the box. Our warehouse tracks screws individually. Our customers buy screws by the box. In our example, one box equals 100 each. We'll use this same product throughout the video so you can see how everything works together. To create units of measurement, go to Settings, then Manage UOM. For this example, we'll create each box. Simply enter the unit name and click Add. The system also supports importing unit, exporting existing units, and deleting units that are no longer needed. To configure the product, go to Inventory, then Item. Open an existing item or create a new one. For our screw item, we're going to configure Standard Unit equals Each. Purchasing Unit equals Box. Purchasing Conversion, Quantity equals 100. Selling Unit equals Box. Selling Conversion Quantity equals 100. The Standard Unit is probably the most important setting. Think of this as the unit your warehouse speaks. In our case, that's each. If current stock says 500 each, that means we have 500 individual screws in inventory. Reports, inventory valuation, and stock quantities all use the standard unit. Purchasing unit. This is simply how you buy the product from your supplier. In our example, we purchase screws by the box. Since one box contains 100 screws, every time we receive one box, inventory increases by 100 each. Selling unit. The selling unit works exactly the same way, but for customers. Our customers buy screws by the box, so our selling unit is also box. When we sell one box, C2W automatically deducts 100 individual screws from inventory. No calculations are required from the user. Purchase order, example. We'll create a purchase order and purchase 2 boxes of screws. The supplier sees 2 boxes. But when we receive the inventory, C2W automatically converts that into 200 individual screws in stock. If we open current stock, we'll see inventory increased by 200 each. Sales order example. We'll create a sales order for 2 boxes. Again, the customer sees 2 boxes. But once the order is picked, C2W automatically deducts 200 individual screws from inventory. Let's quickly recap our setup. Purchase by box. Store inventory as each. Sell by box. C2W Inventory handles all the conversions automatically. This allows businesses to work using the units that make sense for purchasing, warehousing, and sales without worrying about manual calculations or inventory errors. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial video.